Bunk.
Jennifer, I take your order, please.
No. Can I have a medium double, please?
Medium double, anything else?
Bacon for one dog.
$2.42, please, sir.
Got 42 cents.
No, I gave my 42 cents at the RV.
Oh, goddamn. I got 40. What a fluke.
Yeah, it came to 21.37 and I had 37 cents on that time. You know, if I'd work here and you come to a thing and you say, you know, can I take your order, and you say no, I'd be like, alright, fine then. And I wouldn't serve you.
Yeah, I hear you. I wouldn't serve me either. Whatever, that's good.
It's less greasy this way.
Yep. Thank you. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, that was bacon for the puppies. Puppies get bacon. That's what they get because donuts are no good for them. Right, Mom? What, Mom?
Yes, that's right. What are you pointing the camera like that?
Oh, I know. I'm just teasing you. Because I like to tease Mom. It's the Vinado. Vinado.